Yes, sir.
how the placement takes place. These 2 years give you professional knowledge that what if a student to be ready for placement, there is a very important ingredient called personality. I'll take 2 minutes. If you are tall, do you have a better personality?
No, sir.
If you are putting on branded clothes, do you have a better personality?
No, sir.
If you are speaking Oxfordian English like the way I do you have a better personality?
Definitely no.
Not. Then what is personality?
What is your behavior toward others?
Yes.
And what the manner you have?
Personality is something of everything,
Yes, sir.
right? It is leadership, it is communication skills, it is individual confidence, it is how you present yourself, how you walk, how you respond, how you sit, right?
Yes.
Now, most part of it is given to you prior to MBA by your family, by your environment, by your education. But what MBA does to you is, besides giving you professional knowledge, in institutions, they carry out something called skill development, they carry out something called soft skills training, right? To
Yes.
develop your personality. And I strongly believe, being an army man, that personality is never developed in the confines of a classroom. The personality is developed on the play field, being outside, discussing, group dynamics, right? So therefore, I ensure that, well, as far as I'm concerned, that you go for a morning walk, that you play games with me. As I did mention in my last presentation, I said 75 years old by mistake, but actually I'm 75 years young. So you will have to be playing all that. So let the Vice Chancellor look after the academics and the others look after your development of personality. You want the best, but remember, the company which is coming, the organization which is coming to select you, they also want the best. If I have 95 percentile and you have 85 percentile, there is no assurance that you will not get a better salary than me. So salary and your score, there is no linear relationship. The relationship is in personality. I have many examples which I can quote in my 16 years in the education sector, but so far this should be enough. Anybody has any doubts, they're most welcome to.
We'll come back to you,
further.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.